welcome back to my channel. This is Life with Aunt. Yay! Hopefully this go around I have my lighting fixed. It's not perfect, but it's better. At least you guys can actually see the true color that's in my hair right now. I did the vitamin C treatment and this is pretty much what it was left with, you know. Like I said, it's not terrible by any means, but it definitely has hints of blue, a little purple, and as you go deeper, it gets a little darker. Yeah, now you can see it, huh guys? But anyway, my ends look great. They're like a white blonde, I guess. I need to work on getting rid of the blue and the purple. So, I'm going to do the baking soda treatment. When you use the baking soda treatment, just so that you'll know, it will lighten your regrowth, which I have quite a bit of. See? So, you have to apply it from where your regrowth stops to wherever your color stops. I think I'm going to go in and to start with, I'm going to section my hair into the normal 4 quadrants. I don't have my coloring cape in here. Anyway, I'm a little disorganized right now, but I think part of that is because I'm a little nervous. Like I say, I haven't done the baking soda treatment since I wound up frying my hair with it. It's not that damaging to your hair unless, like me, you have a seizure and you wind up with it in your hair for hours. Anyway, I am a little bit nervous, a little bit scatterbrained. Y'all bear with me, and hopefully we'll get this done. Okay, guys, I'm going to tell you what all I put in this, and I'm really stressed out now because... Okay, I put every last drop I had of my purple shampoo in there. I know, it's upside down. I'm trying to get the last little bit of it. I just hope it was enough. I don't know. This was very ill-planned. Can you tell? It's called Shiny Silver. It doesn't really matter, just as long as it's a purple shampoo. So you're supposed to put quite a bit of purple shampoo. And then Head and Shoulders. Okay. You're supposed to do, I think, pretty close to equal parts of those. Maybe not quite as much Head and Shoulders, but pretty close. And Dawn dish soap, like 2 healthy squirts is what I would call it. I don't know. And I'm running low on it. And then baking soda. You're supposed to use a bunch of it, and I completely emptied the box. So hopefully it was enough. And then once you have that mixed up, once you have that mixed up, you put in a pretty good splash of 10 volume developer. You can use 20, but I am a little nervous about damaging the hair, so I'm trying to be very gentle, and I hope that everything goes well. Now then, I'm going to show you. This is like a really thin mixture, but from what I saw online, everybody else's was too, so it should be fine. I don't know, that's really thin. I thought that theirs was a little thicker than that. I'm so stressed out. I hope this works. And I hope that it doesn't damage anything or mess anything up. Or I'm like so nervous. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. I'm not going to leave it on very long. And if it doesn't take the color out, fine. It doesn't take the color out. I will continue fading it with, well, I'll have to go get some more, but I will continue fading it with dandruff shampoo, which I also ran out of, or just a regular shampoo that has sulfates in it. I'll, you know, I'll wash it and wash it and wash it, I guess. I don't know. There's like some streaks of blue that go all the way to here. I don't know if I'll apply it that far down. I'm nervous. And if I run out, I don't have extra. I'm out of like everything. I've really got to go to the store. But anyway, I am very much a fly by the seat of your pants and worry about the consequences later. It'll be fine. So, well, wish me luck, guys, because here we go. I've got it split down the middle and the back. It does not have to be absolutely perfect, just close for this. In order to find the apex of your head, and take a flat comb, which, you know, it's a pintail, but whatever. You're gonna take a comb and literally set it on your head. Wherever the highest point of the comb is pretty much the apex of your head. That's the highest point of your head. That's what you're looking for. You're gonna go from there down to just behind your ear. And that is where you're gonna separate your hair. Hopefully you did a better job of it than this. And you're just gonna basically go across at the same point. It's whatever. I'm just trying to get the darkest parts to come forward so that I can get them first. Wow, that is a dark spot. Oh my. The way that I did it, I actually put a little bit more forward, but that's because it's a super dark spot. And I just want to make sure that I get it good. So I'm going to pull it forward. See? See how dark that is? I don't have my cape right here, but I'm going to put this apron on. So I'm actually kind of proud of this apron. I made it myself. Anyway, because it's so runny, this is going to be super messy. That's why I'm putting the apron on. It's probably going to drip and drop literally everywhere. And here we go.
You show up first, you're staring at me like I can do something for you. You lick your lips, you think you're slick. You stalk like I'm a piece of meat. You're trying out and showing off. So flashy, don't do jack for me. You're such a troll, out of control. I wish I could just hit delete. Why you gotta ruin this for us? Spoil the fun, just be done. I have seen enough to call your here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Just stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my way.
Okay guys, I barely had enough, but I got it all applied. I am literally going to sit right here and look in the mirror while I wait. When I come back, I will let you know how long that I left it on for before I washed it out. And hopefully it won't be too long, and hopefully it'll pull all that blue and purple out. But anyways, I'll be back here in a little bit to show you the result. Hello. Okay, this is how my hair turned out. You can see all of the purple was gone in like 5 minutes, literally. I went ahead and let it process for 40 minutes total. It took like 25 minutes to apply it, and then 40 minutes, give or take, almost 40 minutes anyway, before I washed it out. So it was on there a good while, and the blue just, yeah, you can look right there. The blue did not budge at all. But the purple is all completely gone. It did tone it pretty well, or at least I think it did. I don't know. It does look like it lifted my roots a little. Whoops. It's okay. It didn't lift them real bad or nothing. And after I thought about it, I think I'm probably going to go ahead and bleach my roots anyway in the next week, give or take. I think it's already been 7 weeks. No, is that right? I don't know. Anyway, I'll have to look. But I think it's already been 5 or 6 weeks since I've done my roots, at least. So in the next week, I may bleach them. I don't know. If I do, I was thinking about doing like a bleach bath on the blue. But I'm just now getting my hair back to being healthy, so I'm a little hesitant to do that. We'll see. I don't know yet. We'll see. Anyway, just wanted to show you the results. Sorry my hair's wet. I'm tired. I don't care. I'm going to bed. But anyway. I have epilepsy, but epilepsy doesn't have me. So, be a warrior, guys. Until next time, guys, be fun, be weird, but more important, be you. Be sure to subscribe to see what happens next, because, well, you never know with me. Okay, see you next time.